Welcome back to the channel, guys. Michael Jones here, and today I want to share with you what is affiliate marketing and how does it work for beginners step by step. And by the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of exactly what affiliate marketing is and how does it work. So if you're interested in that content, do me a favor, hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already. And don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. On this channel, I teach you how to start and grow an online business, how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. And the main goal of this channel is to educate, inspire, and motivate you to live the prosperous life that you and your family deserve. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is action-based marketing. And basically what that means is companies pay affiliates commissions for referrals, sales, or leads. So the company is willing to pay you for any referrals that you generate them or any referrals that you bring and that generates any sales. And some companies are even willing to pay you just for the lead alone. So you have some companies that are pay you per lead. We call that pay per lead. Pay per lead. So some of these companies are willing to pay you, 50 cents, $1, $2 just for some information, just for a name and an email, just for a name, email, and a phone number, whatever it is that company is looking to capture from that potential lead. They are willing to pay you. Some companies are willing to pay you just for the lead alone. But you also have companies that are willing to just pay you for the referrals, and any sales that you generate through those referrals, you're going to get paid for as the affiliate. Now, referrals are tracked with the unique URL. So any referrals that you bring to them, they are tracked. They are cookied, with your unique URL. When they click on your affiliate link, they are tracked. And some companies log this tracking anywhere from like the first 14 days. Some of them go all the way up to a month, even 6 months, all the way up to a year. And even some companies will even do, very few will even do a lifetime where they will track that customer for a lifetime. So if they don't buy now, it doesn't matter because they'll keep marketing to them. And if they get them to buy 6 months from now, you still get to earn that commission as the affiliate. So affiliate programs are free to join, and they should be free, and most of them are free to join. Some of them you do have to pay to play, but the ones that I'm going to show to you today are the ones that you are able to join for free. And actually, in my opinion, they should be free for you to join because you are basically being the middleman for them, and you are referring business to them. So in the nutshell, a company is willing to pay you for any referrals that you bring to them, and in some cases, whether they make a purchase or whether they don't make a purchase. If you just bring them the lead, they'll pay you. Some companies, and if they even make a purchase, they'll even pay you for referring that company. So, for instance, if you know someone who's interested in computers, or you know someone that's interested in a certain product or service, you know a company who provides that service that's, to that person that that's very fond of, let's say, computers. So Bob is your friend Bob is really interested in computers, and he loves computers. He gets almost every new computer that comes out. And you know a company that sells these computers, such as Amazon, such as Best Buy, other companies, Apple, who sells computers. When you can partner with Apple, sure, Apple has an affiliate program, and you can partner with Apple. You can refer Apple's products and services to your friend Bob, and if he makes a purchase with the link that you provide to Bob, then you, as the affiliate, would earn a commission, and that can range anywhere from 1% all the way up to even 100% for some affiliate programs. So what affiliate programs are great to join? And the one that I feel is great to join, I'm going to show you, is Bluehost. So Bluehost is a great company to join. So you can go to www.bluehost.com. And Bluehost, what this is a web hosting platform. It's a web hosting company, and they provide hosting for anyone who's looking to start up a website. And what you can do is you can come here. Once again, www.bluehost.com. Come here and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you can click on the affiliates tab. And when you click on the affiliates tab, it's join. You can join the affiliate team for free. You don't have to pay at all to join this program, and they're willing to pay you a whopping $65 for each qualified sign up. So for each person you refer to them that gets web hosting, they're willing to pay you $65 per sale. Now, this is my dashboard here. In a very, very short time frame, I just started promoting this program earlier this month, actually. And I've been able to already generate $130 in a very short time frame. It's not a whole lot, but it's something. I've been able to generate $130 so far just in a short time frame, just for referring a product that sells itself. Everybody needs web hosting. Everybody's building a website. Every single day there's a new website being built. So web hosting is very popular. It's a program that pretty much sells itself. Now, the next program that I'm very intrigued about is the ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is also a great affiliate program that you are able to join. You can go to www.clickfunnels.com and you can go and join their affiliate program. So once you go to ClickFunnels, you'll be taken to a site that looks like this. And you can scroll all the way down to the bottom here and click on the affiliates tab here. When you click on this affiliates tab, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. It's going to be welcome to the ClickFunnels affiliate program. ClickFunnels pays you 40% monthly recurring commissions. So you can fill out this form. You can fill out this form, and it's free to join. And they are able to pay you 40% recurring, which is awesome because now you're talking about passive income. And also, this is a very great product because it has also high ticket products where you're able to earn high ticket commissions. I'm talking about $500 to even $1,000 to promote some of their products and services. So it's a great program to promote. Also, in addition to the 40% of those on the front end, in addition to 40% on those front end, you also receive 100% commissions for sales of the One Funnel Away Challenge and the 30 days program as well too. So this is a great program to promote. I also like to promote a company called Legendary Marketer. So I'm gonna go to Legendary Marketer. We'll go to Legendary Marketer. Oh, actually, actually, actually we could go to ClickBank. ClickBank is also a great. This is a network, and you can able to go to ClickBank and you can sign in for free. You can go to www.clickbank.com and you can become an affiliate. Tens of thousands of affiliates choose ClickBank to promote top performing products and get paid on time every time. So you can start promoting, you can sign in, and when you log in, you'll be taken to a site that looks like this here. And you can click on the affiliate marketplace. When you click on the affiliate marketplace, you'll be taken here. And what you can do is when you get here, you can pick various products to promote, anywhere ranging from arts and entertainment, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing, home and gardening, health and fitness, mobile, parenting and financing, politics. I mean, you name it, spiritual, travel, sports, softwares and services. So one of the ones I like a lot in the affiliate marketing space would be the e-business and e-marketing. You can come here and you can pick a product to promote. Let's just say Perpetual Income 365. You can click on this product here, promote, click the promote tab. You get your account nickname. When you sign up, they assign you an account nickname. You'll know what that is when you sign up to it. And you can generate a hop link. And this would be the hop link that you have. This is your unique URL that you will select to then go out there and promote this particular product to people, and you can earn a potential $202. What that product was, if I'm not mistaken, $202 for promoting the Perpetual Income 365. And each of these products varies in different prices. You can promote this one right here pays out $511. So once again, this is free to join, and it's a great start for beginners as well. But my number one recommended product to promote is the Legendary Marketer. So I go to Legendary Marketer, and what this is a program for online marketers. It's an education that platform that teaches people how to become online marketers and with their program. And I'm a part of this program. I've actually not only promote this program, but I bought into this program. I know the products and services. This is a great program and product to promote. This guy, Dave Sharp, has been featured on Forbes and Entrepreneur. He's made over 8 figures, and he's paid out over millions and millions of dollars to his affiliates as well too. So you can meet the founder here, but you can come here and you can go all the way down to the bottom of their page here. And you can click on the affiliates tab. When you click on the affiliates tab, you come here and you can find that you can promote the product for free. It costs you $0 a month for you to promote the product. For newbies, limited benefits. You only get limited benefits when you promote this product for free. If you want to get all of the benefits and the maximum payouts and all of the tools, it'll be $30 a month to promote this program. But it's very, very great because you're talking about from 5 to 30% commissions all the way up to 20% to 60% commissions. So all you have to do is come here and click apply now to promote either one of these products. And what I like a lot is if you're not really familiar with promoting products like that, I would encourage you and invite you to take the 15-day online business builder challenge, and I'll leave a link below this video and the resources below where you can take the 15-day online business builder challenge. It's only $7. It's a quick 15-day program, and it teaches you all of the foundations to actually online marketing. And I'll leave, like I said, I'll leave that below in the resources below for you if you're willing to take the 15-day online business builder challenge. I highly encourage you to do so. So these are my top recommended programs to promote, and they're free to join. You can start getting out there and promote them starting today. Now, if you got any value from this, do me a favor. Be sure to hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already. And don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. I want you to stay tuned because in the next video, I'll be sharing with you why affiliate marketing is the best model for beginners. I want to say thank you for watching this video. God bless you, and see you in the next video.